welcome back to my channel. Like the video says, this is an Empties video. First, I want to show you something luxurious that I got. The YSL Glow mini palette. It's a quad, just has 4 eyeshadows. But here is the packaging. Love it, love it. This is the Culture Mini Clutch palette, is what it's called. And this is the color story. Isn't that gorgeous? And it has 2 little brushes, and I really like those. For little brushes, they're nice. But oh my goodness, look at those shimmers. Look at those shimmers. In fact, I'm going to swatch those shimmers for you. Don't pay attention to my bruise there, but look at those shimmers. Yes, I had to get this. I had to get it. I just had to. I've been wanting a YSL eyeshadow palette for a while, so I just thought, why not get this mini palette? I love it. Can't wait to use it. Okay, let's get on to the empties. First of all, I have by Bath & Body Works Gingham Glow Spray. Down to the, I think maybe I have just like one more spray left, which I think that about does it. I love this. I since have changed my fragrance for the home. I've been using essential oils, and I'm going to talk about that in a video very soon. I love essential oils. I've changed a few things. Some things I haven't. Some things I intended to change but did not. I'll go into all that in a video very soon. So anyway, that's the #1 empty there. And then this is just the Equate Beauty Sensitive Skin Facial Wipes there. Empty. Okay, this isn't actually empty, but I've been using this for the longest time. In fact, it was in my project pan. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. I really love it. I'd wanted to use more of this, but it is just so old. So I am just going to let it go. So that's #3. I have a whole bag here of stuff. You all know that I love the Charlotte Tilbury, the Magic Cream. I do have a backup. This, guys, is empty. I scraped and scraped and scraped. I love this cream. I recommend this cream to anyone into beauty and makeup. This is awesome. Works great for a primer for your makeup. In fact, I use some of the backup that I have. I used that today. And then I have 2 of something. In fact, I used the last little drop in one of them. I love these. I love this product here. It is the Pixie Skin Treats Botanical Collagen Retinol Serum. So yes, these are empty. I have to purchase a new one. They have these at Target. I think this is where I purchased both of these. So that is 6 products. This is Color Pop Concealer. I rubbed off the name there, but anyway, finally used the last little bit the other day, I think. So that is #7 product. This, I got it down so far. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder. You all know I love this, but I'll have to test this, and it's not really new anymore, but the Too Faced, the heart-shaped Too Faced setting powder, I think I love that just a tad more. I'm still going to test that out in a new video, but I got this down so far, and then the rim of it just broke on me. So number 8. And this is from Neutrogena. I love Neutrogena. This is the Retinol Pro and Power Serum. So that is number 9. You all know, or most of you know, that I used to sell Avon. This lipstick here, marked by Avon, and the color is Wrath. It is a purple shade. The actual shade there. This was my favorite lipstick for the longest time. Just because it is so old, I am getting rid of it. I do have another one floating around. When I find it, that will go in the declutter pile too. So anyway, this is number 10, 11, the other one. This is another moisturizer, the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. As you can see, I scraped all of that out of there. So both of these moisturizers are excellent. The Charlotte Tilbury and the Peter Thomas Roth. That was number 12. And from The Ordinary, the Retinol 2% Emulsion. I have 3 backups of this. I love it. I use it just about every day. That is number 13. And then this was in my project pan, the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Excellent primer. So that is number 14. And then 15. There is still just a tad more left in here, but it's so old, and it was my favorite for the longest time. Hard Candy Plumping Serum, and the shade is Cakewalk. I want to get a hold of another one of these because I love it so much. Number 16. It was number 15, I think. I'm starting to lose count, actually. This is Jennifer Aniston spray, and it is the Beachscape. This is just the, yeah, it's dry. It is empty. So I have 18 empties for 2025. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Pore Filler Primer Base. I use this. There was a time I used this about 1.5 years. I didn't use any other primer than this. It's excellent primer. I think I do have a backup in my drawer over there. That is number 17. And then I have a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. That is number 18. So 18 empties, guys. So short and sweet. I hoped you enjoyed this empties video. If you enjoyed the video, give me some thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel and you haven't done so yet, subscribe and always hit that little bell for notifications. I will see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.